A project was born in Côte d'Ivoire and now waits to be validated before launching the activities. That project is about ground laying out and photovoltaic greenhouses system installation. The photovoltaic project is a way to develop intensive farming and out-of-season production the whole year. That is a system that definitely resolves the issues of food security and autosufficiency, reducing therefore the rate of poverty both in rural and urban areas. Growing vegetables under photovoltaic greenhouses. Here is what Côte d'Ivoire gambled on by creating the project of laying out a square land, 55 km side length, and the installation of a drip irrigation system for market gardening and diverse fruits farming production. The spots where the project will be implemented are located in Korogo, Ferkessédougou, and Kong in the north of Côte d'Ivoire. In Côte d'Ivoire, agriculture consists of farmlands of rain crops for export, sometimes with irrigation systems. It also consists of food crops farms, all submitted to rain, involving negative impacts on the yield and furthermore on the incomes of the farmers. This situation is aggravated in the north, where we sometimes notice deficit in recorded rainfalls with catastrophic consequences for the farmers. Taking into account the growing scarcity of water, the climatic changes, the lack of equipment to stock water, and other hazards, the difficulties remain. All the issues, mixed with the absence of food crop production policy in the area appointed for the project, makes mandatory for Côte d'Ivoire agriculture to view irrigation technologies that permit substantial savings of the natural resources. The photovoltaic greenhouse project comes within the scope of the will to fight the deterioration of the environment by preserving and lasting management of natural resources. It reckons on the improvement of the irrigation system used until now by replacing them with an easy-to-use and low-cost system, which advantage is to allow important thrift of water. These realizations will help improve the market gardening production while reducing the hard work of manual watering and increasing the status of women work. The photovoltaic greenhouse project will allow producing biofuel from farm waste. A food processing warehouse is planned, which will be used as a distribution center for all agricultural products from this project. The landowner will enjoy improved residence system called social housing, so as solar energy. Those who will subscribe to the project will enjoy plots of land, solar energy, and techniques of drip irrigation. The installation of a drip irrigation system project by Côte d'Ivoire Agriculture responds to the concern of preservation of the environment and natural resources policy of Côte d'Ivoire. It also responds to the need for development of an intensive, lasting, and efficient agriculture, allowing reassuring agricultural production and the improvement of food security and autosufficiency for Ivorian populations.